Snow-covered mountains, breathtaking views, pleasant climate, and alluring greenery, Shimla offers everything one can ask for. Popularly known as the Queen of Hill Stations, the city and the places nearby never cease to amaze with their endearing beauty. There is this magic in Shimla's air that makes everyone fall in love with it. With such wide range of attractions and famous places, Shimla is definitely one of the most visited tourist destinations in India. So, here we enrich you with the places to visit in Shimla. The Mall Road in Shimla, located in the heart of the town, is the main street that is lined up with a myriad of restaurants, clubs, banks, shops, post offices and tourist offices. At the same time, the place boasts of the other exciting attractions that it houses, such as the church, Scandal Point and Kali Bari Temple. One of the busiest and more commercial areas of Shimla till date, this stretch is a mini world in itself. When on Mall Road, church is a must visit. The Christ Church in Shimla is the second oldest church in entire northern India and is a site of pure devotion as well as architectural beauty. The church, which took 11 long years to complete, stands as a reminder of the British colonization in India. There is something unique and exciting about the Shimla Christ Church that makes it the favorite destination of people of all age groups. At night, the church literally glows when it is lighted up, while in winters, it dons the look of a magnificent castle. Visit to Shimla remains incomplete without having a taste of horse riding on Mall Road. The place remains flocked by tourists round the year and children as well as grown-ups are seen horse riding for fun. At times newly wedded couples are also seen enjoying the fun ride. Many local children too are seen pressurizing their parents to let them enjoy the ride. It is also common to find people taking photographs of their dear ones astride the horse. The Jakhu Temple is one of Shimla's popular places of religious importance. It is situated 2.5 kilometers away from the ridge, at an elevation of 8,000 feet above sea level. Tourists either can walk up to the temple from the ridge, take a taxi or also go by the ropeway. This ancient shrine was built by a sage named Yaksh, and is dedicated to the Hindu deity Hanuman. There are a number of legends associated with the origin of the temple, one of which states that Lord Hanuman stopped at the Jakhu hill when he was looking for Sanjeevani herb. He met sage Yaksh on the hilltop and then moved ahead in his journey. The 108 feet high idol of Lord Hanuman is the major highlight of the temple. The famous Kali Bari temple is located on the Mall Road, Shimla. The temple was built in the year 1845 and is dedicated to goddess Kali, who is also known as Shyamala. It is from the name of goddess Shyamala that Shimla derives its name. The Kali Bari temple of Shimla is a very well-known religious place of India, and people who come to Shimla never miss out on visiting this temple. The Kali Bari temple was primarily located in Jakhu Hill. The British brought it to its new site. The Indian Institute of Advanced Study (IIAS) is a research institute was set up by the Ministry of Education, Government of India in 1964, and it started functioning from 20 October 1965. It occupied Observatory Hill, one of the 7 hills that Shimla is built upon. The building is designed in Indo-Gothic style. The building also was equipped with a sophisticated firefighting mechanism through wax-tipped water ducts. Many historic decisions have been taken in the building during the Indian independence movement. The Shimla Conference was held here in 1945. The decision to carve out Pakistan and East Pakistan from India was also taken here in 1947. It is situated at a distance of 3 kilometers from Mall Road. You need to pay a small entry fees to explore this site. Charges are 30 rupee for Indians and 65 rupee for foreigners. This is a must-have in your itinerary and would require at least 2 hours to visit here. Kufri is located at 16 km from Shimla, which has a famous historic backdrop for its ski slopes and finished views. Known for its ski runs, Kufri attracts some of the largest numbers of travelers from far and wide coming to visit Shimla. One may find peaks covered with snow and a small zoo in the area where yak rides are an additional attraction. One of the major attractions of Kufri is the horse and the yak ride. All the tourists who visit Kufri never miss a chance to experience the horse or yak ride in the beautiful valley. If you are in Kufri, you must visit the Kufri Zoo. The zoo opens at 10 am and entry ticket is priced at 35 rupees per person. I must say it's well made and scary at the same time. The walkway is fenced with animals behind the fence. The environment gives you a feel as if you are walking in the jungle. Located at 2,800 meters above sea level, Kufri Fun World is one of the highest amusement parks in the world. It has the highest go-kart track in the world. Situated amidst the snow-capped Himalayan peaks, it is one of the most beautifully situated amusement parks in the world. Nal Dehira is small yet mesmerizing hill station and one of the top tourist destinations, located just around 22 km from Shimla, 2004 meter above sea level. It is a perfect heaven for tourists looking for natural scenic beauty and want to get away from the hectic city life. The tourist destination is famous for its greenery, golf course and plain view of the mountains filled with thousands of pine trees. Chail is a quiet hill station close to Shimla, known for the world's highest cricket ground and the heritage hotel, Chail Palace, in between of pine and deodar trees. This place is famous for having the world's highest cricket and polo grounds and has a luxurious resort situated on 3 hilltops. Once the summer capital of the Patiala Kings, the palace has now been converted into a hotel and a tourist destination. One must also visit the Chail Wildlife Sanctuary here. This is the beautiful destination for tourists looking for a calm and relaxed vacation away from the more bustling and crowded tourist destinations in the state. Situated at the top of a hill, Kali Ka Tibba is a popular and must-see place in Chail. The main goddess of the temple is Kali Devi, who attracts a lot of pilgrims and tourists from all across the world. You may enjoy the breathtaking scenery of Chur Chandni and Shivalik range from the temple. The Tara Devi temple is a holy place, located 11 km away from Shimla. It is positioned between a thick forest and offers scenic views of the lofty Himalayas surrounding the town. The temple is very famous among tourists as the clean and fresh atmosphere here helps them relax from the day-to-day worries of life. It is believed that the goddess Tara Devi came all the way from Bengal to Himachal Pradesh, and so this temple is dedicated to the goddess of stars. Mohan Shakti Heritage Park is North India's first ever ancient heritage park. National Heritage Park is located at Shakti Sthal on NH22 between Kalka and Shimla. The picturesque park is supplemented with many unique structures. The park is still under construction and is believed to be the largest heritage park in Himachal Pradesh. Here tourists can enjoy exploring a heritage park, pass through grasslands, indulge in bird watching, catch glimpses of archaeological sites, and gorgeous landscapes of peaks, clouds and sunshine. One of the 7 hills in the city, Summer Hill is considered one of the most picturesque tourist places in Shimla. Located 2,100 feet above sea level, the spot is visited by travelers wanting to escape the heat and chaos of their daily city lives. Surrounded by a dense forest blessed with varied flora and fauna, Summer Hill is the perfect holiday spot for nature lovers. Himalayan Bird Park is an ideal attraction for nature and bird lovers. Open only during the summers, one can spot a variety of exotic and native birds here. It makes up for one of the greatest places to visit in Shimla in one day. This is one of those Shimla tourist places that you'll never forget. The Kalka to Shimla toy train ride is something not to be missed. The Kalka Shimla toy train is said to be one of the most scenic railway journeys in India. It offers a grand view of pine-covered hilltops, flora and fauna, and the typical picture which makes the hills Queen of Hills. The Shimla toy train was declared as a heritage site in 2007 by the Himachal Pradesh state government, and in 2008 it was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The toy train ranks at 4th position in the World Heritage List of UNESCO. It was built in 1903. This toy train ride is one of India's most incredible feats of engineering, covering a staggering 102 tunnels, 864 bridges, and 919 stunning curves.